In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtasks in Jira. If you're looking to organize and streamline your team's workload, utilizing subtasks can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First, in order to get started with subtasks, we'll need to navigate through a few menus in Jira. Begin by clicking on the settings icon, which looks like a cogwheel. Once there, find and click on Issues. This will take us to a section where you have the option to manage various issue types. Click on Issue Types and finally select Subtasks. This is where you'll see all options available for subtasks within your Jira environment. Now, if you're an administrator, you have the ability to create new subtask issue types. This means you can define them with custom names, assign them descriptions, and even give them unique avatars. These avatars help in visually distinguishing different tasks at a glance, which can be incredibly helpful once your project starts growing in complexity. Additionally, on this subtasks page, administrators have the ability to edit or delete existing subtask issue types, giving you full control over how your team's work is categorized. Once you're familiar with managing subtasks, let's explore actually creating them. Start by heading over to your specific project. Find the issue for which you want to create subtasks to break down the work further. Next, click on Add, located directly under the issue's name, then select Subtask from the drop-down. When you do this, a subtask section magically appears within the issue's details. It's here that you'll enter the specific details of what needs to be accomplished. In the text field that appears, type in a concise description of the subtask you want to create, and simply hit Create. Just like that, your subtask is now part of the issue, ready for your team to tackle it. Understanding how to use subtasks effectively is crucial because they are meant to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable units. This not only makes the project workflow smoother, but also helps in maintaining focus on what needs to be accomplished. By segmenting tasks, team members are likely to find them less daunting and more achievable, improving productivity. Furthermore, you have the option to assign different subtasks to different team members. This allocation of work facilitates better collaboration as every individual knows exactly what their responsibilities are. Plus, it makes tracking progress a lot easier as each piece of the work puzzle is accounted for. And that's a wrap. By incorporating subtasks into your Jira project, you're setting your team up for more organized, efficient progress. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.